Hi.
Hello, happy
Hi.
Mother's Day to all those mamas out there, my mom and
Hi.
expecting moms.
Yes, I'm so excited. We have like what, 6 weeks?
6-week countdown.
Wow. So we're here and we just wanted to share with you something that's fun for Mother's Day, showing you our favorite lip colors. And Beautycounter has some amazing lip colors. And we have a new product called the Clean Swipe Hyaluronic Lip Balm. I'm holding it right now and it is beautiful. It goes on. There's tinted and then there's clear. And I'm going to show you clear right now because I'm going to show you something else.
And I think, is that the same one that came in the holiday? Those guys?
Yes, it is. It is. This is the
So
same
this
one.
is actually from the holiday set and I love these. Love them. I also, I believe, no, this isn't the one. My sister-in-law uses the lip conditioner that she loves, and she lives in the mountains. But I have a bunch of girlfriends who use these little cuties. Same, different packaging, same thing.
Same thing. And this is just conditions your lips. It feels wonderful. It has jojoba seed in it. It has avocado oils. It's a wonderful balm to wear under or alone. And then we have Sarah's
so that's
choice.
Mine. That's lip balm. And then my favorite, along with my friends, I've got them hooked onto the Beyond Gloss. I am obsessed with this. So I'm a therapist, and between my client sessions, right before my clients come on, or I'm seeing my clients virtually or in person, I just swipe this one on, and it's just like, it's so great. It just gives like a little bit of a tint. It's not sticky.
No.
Like,
I
that
love
was
it.
that example, my hair kind of stuck, but it doesn't feel sticky.
What color is that?
This is
I think that's rosewood.
Rosewood, and rosewood is like, I call it the sisterhood of the traveling pants lip gloss because it looks good on everyone.
It does. And this is peony, and peony's a fun one for the spring when you're wearing some a little brighter colors. It's very natural looking, but this, I feel like if I'm not wearing this, my lips aren't very happy because this is just, you can see it's almost gone, but it lasts a long time. It conditions your lips. It really makes you feel good when you're wearing it.
Yeah, good gloss. They also, if you ever buy during the holidays, they have these cutie little vaults. And I love these to throw in my purse or just keep them through the year and just hand them out as gifts.
And then one more thing, we have this brand new, this is the Statement Makers lip color, and this is also has the hyaluronic acids in it to help condition your lips, but this, being a little different than what we just showed you, has intense color, and the colors are gorgeous. I have 3 of them, and you can show them the other 2 colors. I'm going to apply a little bit of this. I got this. I love not only the little magnetic container, but the lip balm.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, the one my mom has on is 100% the one I would choose.
It's like a cinnamon color. It's beautiful.
But I'm gonna go bold, and I'm gonna go with Captivating.
Now these are not available yet. They're coming out this month later on, so look for these, and you can email me if you would like to.
Not as like.
Isn't that beautiful? Now I wore this yesterday. Yes, I think I wore that color. Stayed on all day, and I really look different because I'm not used to wearing any color.
I feel so like I'm going out on the town. It's really cool.
It looks really good.
It feels nice on my lips. It doesn't feel like anything's on it. It just feels soft. And I'm actually gonna test the so that was Captivating, and then I'll show you Inspired.
And then this one here has a great, the one I was just wearing.
This is gonna look really like aggressive on me. Not an I choose. But
pretty nice.
Okay, surprisingly,
it's beautiful.
Okay, I would never, I'm more of a berry person, but this is really pretty.
It's beautiful. So those are our choices, and we also have Sheer Genius available always, and this is a wonderful lip color I wear and wear and wear. And I think this lip color will not stay on as long as a statement maker. This is Sheer Genius, but it's equally as nourishing, hydrating, gorgeous. It's more like lipstick meets lip gloss, whereas the statement maker is more of a color intense all day long lip color. So,
so if I was going to categorize this is a good way to think about it. You have your everyday little chapstick, and that's going to be the clean swipe. You have your daytime gloss, that would be the Beyond Gloss. Mm-hmm. You maybe have a work event or have to go to work and you want to do the satin lipstick.
Statement maker.
And then at night, I would do Sheer Genius for work. And then at night, I would do the satin lipstick.
The statement maker. That's new.
So,
yeah.
So all the time, daytime, work, nighttime.
Thank you for listening.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.